Hello, everybody out there in Amazon world. I'm normally not compelled to make a review video, but when I received this CIVIVI Chevalier a few days ago, I was like, man, I gotta share how cool this knife is. So it's a sheep's foot blade, which I totally dig. I got the blacked out version, like the blacked out version. And the micarta scales are just, this knife feels amazing. You got a little bit of jimping there on the top there that's just about perfect. And this knife fits, I got fat fingers, but this knife fits in my hand perfectly. Also, who doesn't love a button lock, huh? Button lock, love it. You can deploy it with the button lock. Close her up. It's got the flipper tab, and if you're good with it, you can even hit it with the nail nick there. So, for the price, this knife is phenomenal. I give it 5 stars all day. Beautiful knife. Also, if you go to civivi.com right now, I believe every order you're
As you can see, the belt clip is already loose and it takes a special screwdriver to tighten that. I've had to replace this knife probably 4 times, so I definitely would